discuss series for last mock test. So this is the first number series. As I have told you earlier, number series done pattern, the identify pattern. So if I observe the numbers, so they are quite close. Whenever the numbers are close, first option we go for is the minimum slope question. The difference between the number is quite low. So we observe the difference between the difference, we talk of difference, that is called minimum slope series, the minimum slope. So let us observe the difference first. So 47 to 48, and here the difference is the difference. So following the same trend, so actually it is nothing but 3 to the power 0, so that will give power 1, that will give power 2, so that will give power 3, that is the next number will fall in line is 3 to the power 3, that is 8. Let us add together 160 plus 8, 160. The right option is 100 of x. Let's do the next question. In the next question also the numbers are quite close to each other, so let me write the number once. This is the series, and we observe that the numbers are quite close to each other. So whenever numbers are close to each other, go for the difference. So that is called minimum slope again. The minimum. Just observe the difference very carefully. First difference. The next is 2, 9. Then it is these are the difference. Now just observe carefully. So it is nothing but 1 is nothing but 1 to the power 0. 2 is nothing but 2 to the power 1. Then 9 is nothing but 3 to the power 64 is 4 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. The next number in the line will be 5. And let us observe the power. So if you observe the power is increased by 1 plus 1 every time. 1 over 1 6 over 2 6. The next power will be 5 to the power 5 to the power 4 is nothing but 25 to the power 2, so that is 65. Or you can say that 5 cube and 25. So the next difference will be of 6. Just add together. That is 6 plus 2 is 8. That is 48. The answer. That will come in mark or X. Right answer is. Let us proceed. Question. Next question is again the numbers are quite 145, 145, 9, 180. Last is by X. You have to find. And if you observe the numbers are quite close to each other, just observe the difference. Plus 13. Whenever there is 13, so there are two possibilities. Either the numbers uh, multiple, or it could be prime number. So let us observe the next difference. Answer. That is 119. So it is plus, then it is minus. Alternate plus minus, right? Observe the difference. 20 से कितना difference है? 38 का difference है 9. 13 1 times 13. Further clarify in the next. So 120 से 60 का difference. How I'm acting it? The lower number and 120, that is 1, that is 60. Now you observe the next difference, that is quite simple. Read my point. If you observe, so the series like plus and thus just follow the pattern. The pattern is the multiples of that is nothing but 13 one time, then 13, 13 five times, 1, then 3, 5, then 9 times. तो डिफरेंस चल रहा है, सो 13 9 टाइम्स कितना, give 7 rupees, so it will become 100. 100 plus 1 10, already added. Get the answer is, that is your answer. Proceed to the, so it is quite interesting. Let me write the number. Yes, kind of series, that is 1 by 1. If you observe the difference, 7 plus, the difference 7, the difference. Numbers are close to each other, so I will, that is 12 40. If you further observe, you are not getting any, अगर आप देखो 1 4 चल रहा, so it is unique in itself. To observe from where this 8 comes, so but sum of plus 3, that will give the number plus sum of the digits of number, that will give the next 151 plus 5 plus 1, 7 is nothing plus 5. So the series is have to add number plus sum of the digit. Similarly, if you observe here, that is 8 plus 5 is 30. And here it is right here. Here it is 7 plus 2, 9 plus 10, 72 plus 10, that will give. Now follow the same pattern, just add these. That is 8 plus 2, 10. We add 11 in 180. The answer is, instead of x, the, hope this. Now let us proceed to the next question. 47, 7, 5. Okay, so numbers are close to each. Let us again find the difference. Observe it from 80. From 80 it is 5. minus. Then here 36 plus 30. There is a trend. Let us level difference. Seven only. This is the difference. I think pattern is 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 6. Right? The next difference plus 11. 7 plus 2, that is 8. Of 9, that is 1. There is, let's write the number. The next, identify. The one thing, the value number is now in the mid of the series. Whenever the number is in the mid of the series, check it with the next number following in the. Okay. Again, numbers are close. So observe that close है ना number काफी multiples में तो जाओगे नहीं तो आप difference. तो 20 का difference plus minus alternate. Next if pattern पैटर्न नहीं, hold this, try to solve that question. Have a add the number pattern. Whenever the missing number is in the middle of the series, you cross check with the next 21 plus 10, 20, get 30 plus 9. Get, yes, the pattern that you have observed is correct. It is a second level difference. The right answer is. Now let us go to whenever there is 0.25 now, there are chances that every not every number is in the decimal, only one number is in decimal. 0.25 stands for 25%. That is stands. So if you observe here, I will not go for the difference. I will uh, find the percentage. So it is nothing but the series is like 768 to 3 by 4. You'll get the next number, that is 2 3 by 4. The next, that is you can just do by 4. That's 3. क्रॉस चेक भी कर सकते हैं, डिवाइडेड बाय 4 so get 1. This is the hint here. Whenever there is 0.25, so there are chances that either it is or it is 125%. I observed here that these won't be the possible, only possible. Observe the trend in numbers, that will, and you have to find 7 divided by 5%. Right option is Want to cross check, divide by 3 by divided by 4, that is then 3 remainder, there is nothing but 0.75. On dividing by 8, the result as 0.7. 0.75 into, you will get the same number, that is 182 times will give 180 and 0.75. The next number will 180. No need of cross checking because we have already checked in just for the practice. We have cross check. The right answer, yes, right answer is option number, that is 2. I hope further questions are in the same pattern. That is all for today's session. Hope you enjoyed it. The next, that is on the same topic, that is